Hello everyone, this is Yash and today we'll be looking at the question 3 of Leetcode, that is longest substring without repeating characters. Given a string S, find the length of the longest substring without duplicate characters. So for the first case it's ABC, because once we get to A the value starts repeating. Let's get started. First we are going to initialize a variable as the size, and we are going to need a map for char comma bool. Instead of making it int and checking for occurrence when it goes to twice, we are going to use a bool to reduce space complexity of the code. Character bool, and let's name it frq. Now for loop where we are going to use right comma left and right less than size, right plus plus. Now to store our answer we are also going to need a variable and simply going to return the answer at the end. Now let's check if the current value that we are holding at our right, that is if this value is already true, then what we are going to do is we are going to use this, and instead of right we are going to move our left pointer ahead and decrement or set the value of the previous values to false, so that these values, once it reaches the duplicate, it removes it from our queue, from the map, and make sure that we don't have the repeating value again. And once we are done, set this value of right as true because we are going to need it in future if there is another duplicate, and our answer is going to be max of answer comma right minus left plus 1. Now the plus 1 is required to include both the ranges. Let me just try to check it. Size map. Yeah, this should work. Instead of using this equal to 2, what we can do is just remove it because the value is already true. The code should run. Okay, I'll be posting the link to the solution in the description. Thank you guys.